Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix Luto game crashing or not launching or showing black screen or stuck on loading screen error on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC or Steam. For that, simply go to Steam, click on Steam over here and then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon or start option, then click on power option and then select restart. This will restart your device. Once your device restarts, now check if you can play the game. If not, the second method suggested is to run game as admin. For that, just go to Steam, click on library section. Here check for the game that you have downloaded and then right click over here, click on properties and then click on install files and then click on browse option. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it and select properties. Now click on compatibility and then click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Now check if it resolves the issue. If not, then simply click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8, or even you can also select Windows 7 and then click on apply and then on OK. The next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, simply go to the Steam, click on library and select your game, right click on it and then select on properties and then click on install files. Here, after that, click on verify integrity of game files. After verifying the game files, now check if you can play the game further. If not, the next method suggested is to modify launch option. For that, again go to Steam, click on library, select your game, right click on it and then click on properties. Now under general, you can see launch option. Here you simply need to type -dx11 and then check if the issue is resolved, or else you can also type -dx12 and then check if this solution works for you. The next solution suggested is to update graphics card. For that, simply go to the search option, click on device manager, now expand display adapters. Here right click over here and then click on update driver option. After that, search automatically for driver option. This will update the latest or best available driver on your system. After this, check if the issue is resolved, or you can also go through the link that I have given in the description. That will help you to directly install the latest graphics card for your PC. The next solution suggested is to allow the game through firewall. For that, simply click on search option, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here click on allow an app. After that, click on change settings. Here look for the game that has been added or not. If not, then simply you can click over here, allow another app and then click on browse, and from here you can add the game files, and after that select your game files and then make sure to click on both boxes, that is for private and public, and then click on OK. And after this, look if you can play the game. The next solution suggests you to close all unnecessary background tasks. For that, simply click over here, go to the task manager. Under processes tab, you can find which app is of no use or consuming high resources. Simply select it, right click on it and then click on end task. After this, hopefully you can play the game without further issue. Next solution is to update Windows. It's an important step. You should check whether your Windows is updated or not. For that, simply go to search option, click on check for updates or search check for updates. Here Windows update interface will open. Simply you need to click on check for updates option. If there will be any available updates, then do it, and after your Windows is updated, simply launch the game and then check if you can play the game. The next solution is to install Visual C++. In the description I have provided the link. Simply go through it, select the requirements for your PC and then install the latest Visual C++ files on your system. The next solution is to check graphics settings. Even playing the game, you should check whether the graphic settings is properly set up or not, like resolution or other things, which can directly impact the game. So it's suggested to lower the graphic settings while playing the game to avoid unwanted issue. If not, the final solution suggested is to reinstall the game. For that, simply go to Steam, click on library, select the game and right click on it, then click on manage and then click on uninstall option, and after that again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. Once it is removed, restart your PC and then reinstall the game once again and then try to play the game. Hopefully this will work and you can easily play the game without any further issue. So all these are the best solutions suggested to fix the Luto game crashing or showing any kind of error on PC. So that's all for now. Thank you.